So I brought me sonnies. I brought my son, but you've got a different plan. Why are we talking about awnings? I would thought that's probably one of the most boring things on a trailer.
Yeah, there's nothing to do. You just press a button and go today. There's nothing to think about. I just want us to slow down a little bit. And I want you to think about the different pieces on your RV. Namely, a gas strut. All these new powered awnings can collapse. They can dump water if need be. How do they do that? They do that with a gas shock. What are the gas shocks like on the back of your canopy on your truck?
Now that you mention it, my gas shocks don't last the winter, to be honest with you, because the kids usually yank on them when it's cold weather and they don't want to come down. They hang on it and the next moment it pops and I'm buying gas shocks. Is that the same thing here?
You betcha, because you're forcing the gas shocks. Whenever we push the awning out or in, you're forcing on those gas shocks. All I'm asking you to do is take 5 seconds.
These awnings have all kinds of pitches you can set. You can make it lean this way. You can make it.
You
want to
bet.
open that and show me?
Yeah,
what
let's.
you're talking about?
That would be a slide.
That would be a slide button. Yes. Ah, there you go. This is what I was after. You see this little knobby thing here? That it allows me to change the pitch of the awning?
You bet. That is exactly what this is designed to do. Even though these awnings have the gas shock to allow them to collapse, we still want to pitch the arm down. And a lot of these are either a push button, a knob, and it allows you to bring one end down or the other. I always like to do the end that's furthest away from my doors.
That's good advice, because if I don't set the pitch on the awning, I'm building a dam. And I've seen these things rip and tear because there's a whole build-up of water there, and heaven forbid the trailer actually cantilevering on the other side.
I don't know if I've seen it that bad, but yes, water, I have seen it pool. And really, even though these will collapse eventually, it's gonna take a lot of weight, and it is a lot of water coming off at once. You're best just to pitch it a little bit at one end versus the other.
I'm surprised. I didn't know there was so much about an awning. Thank you.
Always here.
I have to ask though, if I want to upgrade to one of those really cool jobbies that can flap in the wind, who's going to sort me out there?
Once again, Bucars has always got your back.